How to sign up for Max through Amazon Prime. Max, formerly known as HBO Max, offers a vast library of content, including HBO originals, Warner Bros. Films, and more. Amazon Prime members can subscribe to Max through Prime Video channels for seamless access to this extensive content library. This method allows users to watch Max directly within the Prime Video app or website. 1. Ensure you have an Amazon Prime membership. To subscribe to Max via Amazon Prime, you must have an active Amazon Prime membership. If you are not a member, you can sign up for a 30-day free trial on the Amazon website. 2. Access Prime Video channels. Once your Amazon Prime membership is active, navigate to the Prime Video channels section. You can do this by logging into your Amazon account and selecting Prime Video from the main menu, then choosing Channels. 3. Locate Max. In the Channels section, browse or use the search function to find Max. Click on the Max channel to view subscription options. Choose a subscription plan. Max offers different subscription plans, including ad-supported and ad-free options. If available, new users may be eligible for a free trial. The standard subscription price typically starts at $9.99 per month, but pricing may vary based on promotional offers. 5. Start your subscription. Click on the option to start your Max subscription or free trial if available. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your subscription and payment details. 6. Stream Max content. After subscribing, you can stream Max content directly through the Prime Video app or website. Simply navigate to the Max channel within Prime Video to access a wide range of shows and movies. Ensure you check the terms of your subscription, including any trial period details. If you do not wish to continue after a free trial, be sure to cancel before the trial ends to avoid being charged. By following these steps, you can enjoy easy access to Max content through your Amazon Prime account, making it a convenient way to watch your favorite shows and movies.